Hello and welcome back to Dutchman Seb. So without further ado, let's take a walk through the build and see what we have in store for us over the next couple of weeks. Would you look at that? Jeez! The hood is on. It makes the car look completed. So today we have a lot of updates that happened in one day. We have a Mugen hood fitted to the car. We have a new window. It's so clean you can't even see the glasses in. So you can see a bit of the tinting and the camera effect there. So the new window has been installed. The seat has been installed. Man, but this hood just looks so good. And we've put the wipers on, and those are functioning and working. So check here, the Sparco Evo 2 GripTech seat fits so snugly. I mean, you literally could not fit a bigger seat in here. The clearances are millimeters on either sides. The radio has gone in as well. So we have a little cover here. And there's the radio going in as well. That's been wired up. The carpeting is back in here we saw previously. And check out this. We have a little switch for the trunk. And the trunk pops open. So we got the springs back in the trunk and the trunk lining is in. So this is mostly for dampening for sound. Because yeah, you don't want all those vibrations through the car. There's the bulb for the lamp that has to go back in. And yeah, that's pretty much what we've done today. But it's starting to look like a car. Oh man, the trunk closes so nicely. Whew, feels really good. So yeah, that's the progress updates. And then tomorrow, hopefully, we get us some wheels. So stay tuned for that. And these hood vents have got like rain covers inside, so now they're closed. But we can unscrew those, and then you can open up the vents for the engine. But man, that looks so damn good. Check out this, guys. The doors are in. The windows are working. We have working windows. Man, look at this. I'm not going to open the door now because the panels are hanging loose, but I can't reach it from here. Check that out. Woohoo! Man, it looks so damn good with the doors and the windows. And we got the hood aligned nicely so it closes. Man, check that out. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Now for the front, and then we're done with the wheels to come last. All right, guys, so for that day, this is what we managed to do, is just fit the bumper loosely for a picture, get the hood latch to latch. Would you look at that? 3 weeks later, the car is standing on its own wheels. Okay, yes, not perfect yet. We still have to adjust the ride height, get some spaces for the wheels. But we drove it off the bridge, and I drove the first few meters from the bridge on the side because tomorrow Don needs the bridge free, and that was the end of our deadline to get the car back together again. So we did the whole car in 3 weeks from every single nut, bolt, line, bearing, bush, you name it. The entire car was just completely empty. And look at how it's sitting here. We had some help from friends. Say hello to Norbert over there. He helped us to get the alignment of the bumpers and the dashboard and all the little tiny fiddly bits. He was really good at helping with some experience, moving things around. I mean, just look at how this thing comes together. What a beautiful car. And inside as well, we got the dash in, as you saw previously. Seat is in, steering wheel. So it's functional, it's driving. Still need to make a test drive. And we have one leaking wheel still as well. So we had the wheels, 3-piece wheels taken apart, painted. I had all the bolts re-nickeled. So that was a hell of a job. I never recommend anybody to do that work. It's a terrible job. So we still have one more wheel which is leaking on the other side to have re-siliconed again. And the bumper, of course, cannot go on because the exhaust needs to be custom welded to fit the bumper. But now it's sitting on its own wheels. And it is absolutely beautiful. And everything's functioning. The doors work, the trunk works, the hood works, the latches work, the locks work. It's just an amazing thing. I just can't get over how this thing looks from the front. It is so aggressive and so mean. And it looks insane. A proper Time Attack car. Really, really impressed with the work. And I think Darren is pleased to have the thing finished.
Very happy. It's
a lot of work.
Almost finished. Just some adjustments.
Few fine tweaks here and there. But man, we're tired. We're gonna go home.
We're really tired.
Have some food. So thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned. Until next time. Cheers. So from concept to reality, this is what the render started out as on Need for Speed some years ago. And this is what we're trying to make as a reality today. So this is how it started compared to where we are today. You can see here the concept, and let's see how it comes out in the end. But this is where it all started from, and this was the main idea. So obviously I've been playing Need for Speed since I was quite young, from underground back in the day. This is Need for Speed Payback. This was the closest render I could make on any Need for Speed with similar body parts, with the spoon hardtop, the Cybon wing, similar wheels, similar body kit. This is not actually a Jay's Racing kit, this is actually a Voltix kit. So this is not the true kit, but the best one I could find on any game platform to replicate kind of the idea that I was going for with the build. And from here you can see kind of the inspiration of where it came from.